In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix black screen in Overwatch 2. First thing you want to do is go here and type in Device Manager. Go here to your display adapters and you want to update them. So right click and then update driver. You can either automatically update or just browse for one manually. Click next and this will update. So do the same thing to your other driver if you have multiple. So once you do this, now you want to go here and type in Windows Update. So for Windows Update, you always have to make sure you are on the latest version, because these versions can fix some bugs and issues with your games and your computer as a whole. So always check for updates. After you're done with this, now go to CMD, right click, run as administrator. And here you're gonna run this command. So you're gonna check the health of the DISM. So write DISM online cleanup image and check health. Then write net stop crypt svc and then net start crypt svc. And then lastly sfc/scan now. And once you're done with this should fix your issue.